Yo, it's your boy LnBnino, you feel me? Welcome back, good to see y'all. Hope y'all are doing cool, chilling, y'all got what y'all need. What up? We're here doing something different today, you feel me? We're doing a review. Before we get into the actual review, I'm gonna show y'all why we doing this review. Feel me? I don't know if I showed y'all yet. I ain't Team Drez no more. I switched over. Team Wave now. Had to let go. I'm on to a different type of time now. But I never had Drez before. I never had waves before. Like when I was a kid, I tried to get them a couple times, cause that's what was popping back then. But I never could. I either didn't have the patience to just. My pops used to tell me, 1,000 strokes a day, you gotta be committed. 1,000 strokes a day. And I used to be in that counting. Hold on, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then after like 2, 3, 4, 5 days, I was cool. I was a kid. I wasn't really on that, trying to rag it up and everything every night. But now, see if I can get them. Y'all tell me. But that's another reason why I'm making this video, because I might need some help. I might not. Y'all tell me. I need some tips, some tricks. I'm an open mind. Feel me? I'm all ears. But other than that, let's get into this review. Where we here reviewing the Wave Essential Crash Out Box. This ain't no paid promotion. This ain't no sponsorship. I wish it was. I wish this shit was free, but it wasn't. Cost me $122. That's with shipping, taxes, everything. Took about 6 days to get to me. We're gonna start off with the presentation. The box itself, I don't know, y'all tell me. Nothing crazy, just a regular box. Couple stickers on the front, caution stickers, just a crash out box. Mind you, this is the biggest box they had available on their site. They got tons of different things. I'm talking brushes, crown patches. You put this on this is what I need to focus on. You put this on the back of your crown after you get done brushing, rag it up. They got hair oils, pomades, shampoo bars. Like I said, this ain't no sponsorship, but y'all tap in if y'all need what they got. I'm just a messenger. Damn. Crash out box. The Wave D-A Wave Essential Crash out box. Let's see what they got. All right, we just gonna bust it down and see what they got for you. So they got 2 crown patches. Like I said, you put these on the back of your crown, where it spin at, so you can lays it down better. 2 crown patches. A regular do-rag. A do-rag to wash your hair, like put it on. Shampoo bars. You can smell them straight out the thing. I wish I seen on the site they got strawberry shortcake. I wish I got that one. Cause I'm gonna be honest, I don't fuck with bananas. I don't mess with pumpkins. They gave me 2, but I don't even mess with these, you feel me, on the real. But I ain't gonna lie, it don't smell bad. Especially this pumpkin spice, so we gonna see. So boom, what we got? 2 crown caps, 2 do-rags, 2 soap bars, 1, 2, 3 brushes. It's a medium and a soft, and a detangler. All key essentials to, what's this? Strawberry shortcake, 2-in-1 shampoo and conditioner, the liquid kind. Pomade, mango butter pomade. Let me see. It has a real faint smell, but it don't smell bad. It smells like some Skittles or something. Hair butter, hair and scalp conditioner. What's the difference between hair butter and pomade? Because they both say stronghold, 360 stronghold, and they both actually say hair and scalp conditioner. So yeah. Can y'all tell me what's the difference between a pomade and a hair butter? Or is it the same? Let's see what the strawberry one busting like that. Just like strawberry him, that's why I ain't gonna lie, that's why I wish I would've got the strawberry bar, but conditioner bar. It's wrapped in plastic. By the way, all these packaging is just, you know, it's just niggas trying to get up in the game, you know. Y'all love to support the people at Microsoft. Y'all love to support the Asians at Nintendo. Fuck with the black businesses, y'all. Damn. Hair growth serum, you feel me? You just, for the bald and then just, I wanna say I'm supposed to have another oil. Unless this is my oil, but I thought it was I don't know. Y'all, lay down pad. This what really sold me, I ain't gonna lie. You know, it's just like the plastic bag method. But it's just big boy. You just lay down the flyaway, you feel me? I hope my shit busting for the camera though, I ain't gonna lie. Y'all tell me, if my shit ain't busting, just let me know, feel me? I know I need to work on my crown and my like my back. That's the whole reason why I really came kit, cause I'm like, fuck it. But yeah, the lay down pad. One big boy, cover up the whole head. And I'm gonna be honest, I ain't never seen nobody have this or the crown patches. I could be wrong. And then they just give you a facial brush and the derma stamp. So let's review. Crash out box, derma stamp, facial brush, mango pomade, strawberry hair butter, 2-in-1 shampoo and conditioner, strawberry shortcake hair growth serum, 2 shampoo bars, a conditioner bar, big fat ass lay down pad, detangular brush, soft brush, medium brush foot handle, 2 do-rags, regular do-rag, wash do-rag, 2 crown patches. Y'all tell me. Nothing crazy, nothing to drag on the video, just want to give a quick little bust down of the, cause I was looking it up before I bought it and I ain't seen no reviews on YouTube or nothing, so I was like, could I do it? Y'all go check them out, you know, I don't know, I ain't no waiver, I don't know if this box is worth it, I don't know if it's too much, I don't know if it's, you know, look, I just got it, I reviewed it, and y'all tell me. The Wave Essential Kit, if it's worth it, y'all go tap in with them. Tell them LnB sent you. Tell them to hit me with the sponsors on the one side. If it's too much, y'all let me know. Be like, damn nigga, they got you good. But shit, we gonna try to get bust down with it. Feeling 1,000 strokes a day, that's all I've been thinking. Ever since I cut my hair, 1,000 strokes a day. Whole kit, I just busted down for y'all. Ain't gonna hold y'all too longer. Just a little review. If y'all liked the review, if y'all liked me doing the review, let me know. Maybe I'll do another one. Maybe it's tell me something. Check me out. All platforms, LnBnino. And stay tuned for me because you never know what's coming next. I'm gonna get up with y'all when I see y'all. Y'all be cool. How y'all be cool? Everybody stay, stay blessed. Stay stress-free. Stay stuck-free. Y'all be cool. How y'all be cool?